Please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more tutorial videos.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Backbench's Classroom. You have already seen in the title what today's video is about. This video I'm going to show you how to move your taskbar position from center to left as it was in Windows 10. And guys, please subscribe if you found this video helpful to you. So let's get started. To move the taskbar, the method is very simple. So first of all, we have to go to the setting. So click on this start menu, right click on the start menu and click on settings option. So after opening the windows, click on this personalization option and now click on this taskbar option. Okay, now click on this option taskbar behaviors and expand it. Okay, after that here you can get taskbar alignment is set as center, so click on it and set as left. Okay, as you can see the taskbar automatically moved to the left. And here are some settings for the taskbar. If you click or check this option, the taskbar will automatically hide, and if you take the cursor toward the taskbar, it will unhide. Okay, and this option will set notification alert in your applications. Okay, if you check this one, if any notification or any message come to that application, it will appear over here. And for the last one, if you check this one and click over here the right corner of the taskbar, then all the open windows automatically get minimized. And if you do the same, all the minimized windows through this feature only gets maximized again. So that is the setting you have to apply for your taskbar. Okay, so if you like this video, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.